Hello everyone, back with me, Makshaler Setiawan. I'm from the English Language and Culture Study program of the 4th semester. So this is my first recorded task of this semester. So now I want to practice my English vowel sounds. And yeah, without taking too long, let's practice and let's get started. Number 1. E as in bean, seen, green, mean, and machine. Number 2. E as in tip, lip, sit, ship, and hit. Number 3. A as in mat, sat, bat, net, and let. Number 4. As in her, fur, sir, per, and mercury. Number 5. A as in pen, man, can, fan, and tan. Number 6. Oo as in moon, soon, noon, spoon, and tune. Number 7. As in the, silver, comma, banana, about. Number 8. As in sir, her, bird, word, and curve. Number 9. As in fun, run, sun, bun, gun. Number 10. As in car, hard, star, far, and bar. 11. Oo as in shook, book, look, cook, and hook. Number 12. O as in shore, more, core, bore, and the last one is floor. 13. O as in lock, rock, shark, dog, block. 14. Ear as in deer, fear, near, clear, and beer. 15. A as in same, game, name, and flame, and also fame. Number 16. Ow as in loud, cloud, found, bound, and round. Number 17. O as in go, show, know, low, and flow. Number 18. I as in high, right, side, wide, and guide. Number 19. U as in curious, poor, cure, sure, tour. 20. Oi as in choice, voice, noise, toys, and boys. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching.